Hello and welcome to this hands-on session. We will take the same exercise that we did in our deep dive and try it out in Java. This is the Eclipse IDE. You could use your preferred Java IDE instead if you want to. If you recall our previous hands-on session, we gave two inputs to the grep command. One was the regex pattern and another was the input file. So we need to do the same in Java as well. The Java class file that you are seeing right now is regex.java. If you look at line numbers 11 and 12, we provide the regex pattern as well as the input file name. Foo a star bar is the regex pattern and regex01.txt is the input file name. Make sure you place the input file in the same directory like I have done here. See that? regex01.txt with the 6 input entries. Let's go back to our Java class regex.java. This code uses two library classes from the regular expressions library that ships with Java, the matcher and the pattern class. So how this code works is, it reads the input file line by line. Then for each line, it matches the regex pattern against the current line. If the pattern matches, then that line gets printed. So let's run this program. Right click, run as Java application. Done. You can see the output here in the console. Note that we got the same 4 entries in the output that we got in our grep session. These are the 4 entries that were marked in green in our graphic for the deep dive exercise. So this is how a regular expression pattern match is done in Java. For all subsequent exercises, it is going to be the same drill. All you need to do is replace lines 11 and 12 with the pattern and the input file name and simply run. No need to change anything else in this code. This class file as well as all the input files are there in the resources zip file available for download along with this course. I highly recommend that you try out all the regular expressions exercises by yourself. You can use Linux grep command or Java if you are comfortable with any of these. Even if it is some other programming language that you are comfortable with, the basics should still be the same. With this, we come to the end of this hands-on session using the Java regex engine. That's it, and I'll see you in the next session.